Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to get a transpose of a matrix. Okay, I'm going to use the function transpose. Okay, let's go to Excel, and I have this Excel sheet where you can see a matrix A I have, which is 4 by 3 matrix, which is nothing but 4 rows and 3 columns matrix, and I'm going to get transpose of this matrix. Obviously this matrix, the resultant set of the transpose matrix is going to be 3 into 4, the reverse. That means 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, let's go here. See this matrix A, which is nothing but 4 by 3, which is actually a set of values. We call this one as an array. We are going to treat this part as a array, these values, and the resultant set is going to be array 2. So we are going to use a array function. Okay, how do we use a array function? Before that, how do we use a array function? For every array function returns a set of values instead of one value. There are some array functions which also returns only one value, but in this case what I am going to do is a set of values. So for the set of values, you need to select the area first, which area you want to put the resultant set. Okay, so it is not one cell. You need to select a set of cells where you want to put the resultant values. Okay, if that case, for me, I know that it is going to be, the result is going to be 3 by 4. So what I do is I select the area. Once I select the area, I go to the formula bar. Obviously the formula is going to be in the active cell of this selected cells. Okay, I put equal to. Now what I am going to do is I am going to enter the formula transpose. Okay, I already put the formula enter transpose, and it asks for an array. What is the array you want to put as an argument or the input? Okay, my array is matrix A. Okay, close because only one argument, close this function. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this formula, but since it is a array formula, you cannot just enter for just to complete the formula. You have to press Control plus Shift and enter. Control Shift enter. This is the one will return with the output in your selected cells. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I just Control Shift enter. Now you see it has come up with the output set. This output set, you can see the matrix is transposed. Okay, 2 3 7 9, 2 3 7 9, column values in rows, 10 34 11 5 6 56 54 23. This is the way you can get a matrix transpose. Not only for matrix transpose, you have a set of values in the Excel sheet. You want to paste it as a transpose. You can very well do that. Okay, so instead there is a way you can do that, is you just copy and paste. Also you copy and you use a space special and transpose. You can do this one also as a normal copy paste transpose. Okay, but this is the way of doing through matrix operations or using the functions. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.